Hello, everybody. This is Michael with the LangShack here. I just wanted to do the third installment of the Papiamento language series here. We've got about 2 weeks out before I leave for Aruba, to where I will be filming all kinds of different scenarios and situations of using this language with locals and stuff. So you'll get to see in real time where these lessons are going to get you. So without further ado, why don't we jump in to the dialogue? Well, they're not really dialogue. There's only two. There's only one dialogue, but there are reading samples here, and we will go over the vocabulary and we will visit some grammar and some practice if we have time. All right. If you have the PDF, let's follow along now. Hende tin hopi plaka, maningun hende no tin ningun plaka. Hende ken no tin plaka, ta pober y feliz o tristu. Hende kentin hopi plaka tariku. The second. Cuando vos arriba música, vos gusta escuchar la música viejo o nuevo. Kiko tabo música favorita. Muchanan joven música gusta música nuevo y rápido. Y gente más viejo gusta música atrás. Dialogue. ¿Cuál idioma nang bota papia? Mita papia inglés, poco papiamento, español y holandés. Cobo asignando, con bota asignando papiamento. Mita asignando papiamento na casa, co bukinan. Bo es un buki o botin un maestro o maestra. Mino tin maestro. Mi signa papiamento miso. Mi casa bin de aquí. Mi casa bin de aquí. Ita de Aruba. Mota machi afável. Donkey, bota pret. Y un hombre bon. Last one, and then we'll read it all again. Boa que buki riba mesa marron. Mesa marron tin quater sturgel. Denakas tin dos mesa cora. Roman mujer, su roman hombre ta cinta, bodi mesa marron. Hombre y mujer ta kushna patras de mesa. Después nang kaba kushina tur comida, nang lo pone comida arriba, mesa y tur hende lo cinda na mesa. Nang bisa y muchanan, atabo comida y comida takla. We'll read that one more time, starting from the very first one. Hende tin hopi plaka. Maningung hende no ting ningung plaka. Hende ken no ting plaka, ta pober y felizo tristu. Hende ken ting hopi plaka, ta riku. Second. Cuanto boso sa arriba música? Bosa gusta escucha la música viejo o nuevo. Kiko tabo música favorita. Muchanan joven gusta música nuevo y rápido y gente más viejo gusta música atrás. Dialogue. ¿Cuál idioma nang bota papia? Mita papia inglés, poco papiamento, español y holandés. Con bota asignando papiamento. Mita asignando papiamento na casco bukinan. Bo usa un buki o botin un maestro o maestra. Mino tin maestro. Mi signa papiamento miso. Mi casa bin de aquí. Eta de Aruba. Bota machi afável. Donkey, bota pret. Y un hombre bon. Last. Boa que buki riba mesa marron. Mesa marron tin quater stul gel. Denakas tin dos mesa core. Ruman mujer. Kusu ruman hombre ta cinta bodi mesa marron. Hombre y mujer ta kushna patras de mesa. Después nan kaba kushina tur comida. Nan lo pone comida riba mesa. y tur hende lo sinta na mesa. Nang bisa e muchanan, atabo kuminda, y e kuminda takla. Okay, so that was a lot today. Future lessons aren't going to be this heavy, but this is how I constructed it. I kind of went off on a tangent here, just because I was excited about learning a lot of new words here. So let's just go ahead and start going over these the words here. So, gente tin hopi placa. The people have a lot of money. So, gente is people. It's from Spanish gente or Portuguese gente or gente, depending on what dialect. Hopi is a lot. So, hopi placa. Placa is money. So, hopi placa. Ningun gente. But nobody, no people, nobody, no ting ningun placa. But there are no people that don't have any money. Something like this. I just wanted to demonstrate the use of ningun and using ningun to express that you don't have any of something. So hende que no ting placa ta pober y felizo tristo. So people who do not have money are poor and happy or sad. So feliz is like in the word felicitous, is happy. Tristo, I don't think English has anything like this. Is sad. Pober is, which is actually the pover and poverty is related to this word, means poor. Ehende king tin hopi placata rico. Rico is rich. So the people that have a lot of money are rich. Next one here. Cuánto bolsos arriba música? How much do you all know about music? So bolso is, cuánto bolsos. Cuánto is how much. Bolso you know already. Sa means to know. You may know that. Riba música. So riba música is about music. But riba usually means on top of something. It's related to the Spanish word arriba, which means on top of something. Boso gusta escucha la música viejo o novo. So bosa gusta. So gusta is, liking something. Escucha is from escuchar, which means to listen to something. So escucha la música, listen to music. Viejo is old. Novo is new. So do you all like to listen to old music or new music? Kiko tabo música favori. So favori or preferi is another way that you can say it, which means favorite as well or preferred. So what is your favorite music? So Kiko is what? So Kiko tabo música favori. Favori, favorite. So muchanan joven gusta música novo. So the young children like new music. So muchanan children. So joven is young. So muchanan joven, which is like jovem in Portuguese. So joven, it could also be related to joven. So I'm not sure which one there because the end there is a sound. So young children like new music. Y rápido. So they like fast and slow. They like new and fast music. Y gente más viejo gusta música atrás. And people that are older, so gente más viejo. So más means more from Spanish más. Más viejo is older. So older people gusta música atrás. So atrás means behind something, like patras. In this language as well that you will probably have seen in the last selection here, the fourth one. So behind music, but it means slow, and it's used like this. So older people like slow music. So now we're going to go over the dialogue here. So Bernardo says, what languages do you speak? Qua, which means which. Idioma nang, languages. Bota papia. So papia means to talk or to speak. So which languages do you speak? Qua idioma nang bota papia. And then Justin tells him what languages he speaks. So mita papia, I speak. Like right now, I speak these languages. So Inglés is English. Poco papiamento, a little bit of papiamento. Español, Spanish, and Holandés, Dutch. Those languages, most of those languages are spoken fluently by Arubans and people that live in Bonaire and Curacao and the ABC Islands. So, and con ba ta enseñando papiamento. So, how are you learning papiamento? So, con is how, like in contabay, how are you? Ta enseñando, so enseña means to learn something. So, ta enseñando are learning papiamento. How are you learning papiamento? And Justin tells him how he learns papiamento. So, mi ta enseñando papiamento na casa con bukina. So, mi ta enseñando, I'm learning papiamento na casa at home, con bukina, with books. So, I'm learning papiamento at home with books. Then Bernardo asks him, bo usa un buki o bo tengo maestro? So, you use a book? Or do you have a teacher? Might seem a little bit of a redundant question. Sorry about that. Just wanted to, get this. Are you using a book? Get that sense out there so that people would understand if they're trying to explain how they're learning a language to somebody. Obo tengo maestro. Do you have a teacher? So maestro is a male teacher, and maestra is a female teacher. Yo frau di school and manera di school are other ways of saying a teacher, but those are usually for a school. And then Justin says, mi no ting maestro, I don't have a teacher. Mi enseña papiamento miso. I'm learning papiamento by myself. So miso means by yourself or by myself. Boso, by yourself. As two words. Boso, not boso. Boso as one word is, you all. Mi casa, my wife. Mi casa bin de aquí. My wife comes from here. So, mi casa bin de aquí. Eta de Aruba. She is from Aruba. Then Bernardo says, Mota mashi, or it should be masha. Mota masha afado. So masha means masha or mashi, I've seen, means very or really. So very and afado is like affable. If you know that word, it means friendly. So you are very friendly. Justin says, Donkey bota pret. Pret means funny. Donkey means thank you. So thank you. You're funny and a good man. So un hombre bon. Un hombre bon. All right, and then the last one here. So bowak e boki riba mesa maron. So bowak, do you see? Bak is from wak is from Dutch waken, which means to look at something. E boki, so on the brown table. So mesa maron. So maron is brown. So do you see the book on the brown table? E mesa maron tin quater stur hel. So hail is related to the yell and yellow. That's just a Dutch word for yellow. So the brown table and mesa maron tin quater stool. So four stools, which would be chairs in Dutch. So four chairs. So the brown table has 4 yellow chairs. Denakas inside the house. Denakas tin dos mesa cora. In the house there are two red tables. So mesa is a table. Cora is red. Spelled weird because it has both types of accents. Acento agudo and acento grave. So those are the accents that go forward and backward. The backwards accents. Erumang mohe. So Erumang is just your sister or brother, any sibling. If you put mohe, it means a sister. If you put homber, it means brother. Ku, with. So the sister and the brother are sitting under the brown table. So tacinta under the blue table, under the brown table. So mesamaron under the table. So boldi means under. So the brother and sister are sitting under the brown table. So hombre y mujer. So the man and the woman, takushna patras de mesa. So it would be, you could say mayonan, which means parents. So the man and woman are cooking behind the table. So patras is behind. Kushna is like, kitchen, cuisine, it's related to that. Cocinar, to cook, or cooking behind the table. Después, after, nan kava kushina tur comida. So tur comida, all the food. Nankaba, you know this from the first dialogue. Nankaba, you finish. So they finish cooking. After they finish cooking all the food, so tur kuminga, all the food. Nang lo pone, so pone means to put. So lo pone will put. So they will put food riba e mesa on top of the table. So they will put food on top of the table. Y tur hende lo sinta na mesa. Tur hende, everybody. So tur means all or every. So everybody, lo sinta na mesa. Everybody will sit at the table. Nan bisa e muchanang. So they tell the children. So nan bisa e muchanang. They tell the children. Atabo kuminda. So I believe ata was, you saw ata another early dialogue. I believe ata means here you go or here you are. Like aquí está in Spanish, na español, as they would say. Atabo kuminda, here is your food. Y e kuminda takala. So kala means ready. So the food is ready. So cominda takala. So let's go over the grammar in this lesson here. So in this lesson, we have like I explained at the beginning, we have ningun. So we use ningun a lot here. So when you say no and ningun combined, that's basically saying that you don't have any of something, or you don't have no blah blah. If you're in a more slang way. So, no people, there are no people that have no money. So, ma ningun hende, no ting ningun plaka. So, ningun hende, nobody, no person has no money. So, ningun plaka, no money. No person has no money. Hopi plaka, a lot of money. So, hende, ken. So, ken is, so there are two words for who. Kenda means, Kenda is who when you're asking a question. So when you say Kenda ta blah blah blah, you'll usually use Kenda for a question, like an interrogative form. However, Ken can be used both in as a I don't know what the terminology here is, but it can be used to say to explain that it is somebody who does something. So Ken would be like, Mino conoce Ken te. I don't know who is there. So Ken can mean that. But you can also use Ken as a question. So you can say Ken tae, who is there. So there's a little bit there. So ningun hende. So mi no sa ningun música. I don't know any music. Let's see. So let me see what other kind. So you also have here qua idioma nang. So qua is which. So we have several interrogatives here. So we have Kiko. Kiko means what? So if you say Kiko tabo musica favori, what is your favorite kind of music? Or you could say Kiko tabo comida favori, what is your favorite food? Because comida was from later in the dialogue. You could even say Kiko musica bo gusta. What music do you like? Kiko musica bo ta escucha. What kind of music are you listening to right now? So yeah, qua idioma nang bo ta papia. Which languages do you speak? So qua idioma nang bo ta papia. Qua idioma nang bo ta papia. Qua, you could say qua. Which food is yours? I guess you could say qua. You could be like qua comida taribo. Which food is yours? You also have con, which means how. So you could say con tabay, con botasigna e idioma. How did you learn the language? Con botasigna e idioma. Or how are you listening to music? Con bota escucha música. How are you listening to music? How do you like Aruba? Con bota gusta Aruba. And then, so that's mostly here. And then later here in the dialogue, in the reading selection, we have ata, ata. So ata bo comida. So if you're like saying like somebody says, it costs this, like you could say esta costa cinco flori. It costs 5 Aruban guilders. Then you could say ata e placa. Here's the money, or ata placa. Here's the money. Ata e placa. I don't know if this is like impolite, but I figure here's the money. Like in English that doesn't sound bad. I haven't seen any evidence of this in Papiamento. So yeah, so you ata. And then the last one here is we have some prepositions here. So bo di mesa. So bo di mesa, under the table. We have na mesa, at the table. We have nan lo pone comida riba e mesa. They put food on the table. And you also have behind too. So you have después nan capa cocina turcomina nan lo pone comida. I'm sorry. El hombre y mujer takushna patras e mesa. The man and the woman are cooking behind the table. So takushna patras e mesa. Mita cinta patras. Mita cinta patras e mesa. I'm sitting behind the table. E comida ta patras e mesa. The food is behind the table. So I didn't really have time to put that in because of the long dialogue here, but this is going to be an exception. Your lesson, the future lessons are not going to be nearly this long, but I already wrote this lesson out, so just keep that in mind as we go forward. That lessons will not be this long again. I've got the lesson condensed to two little paragraphs at the most. We're not going to have a dialogue in a paragraph, so just keep in mind that it's not going to be this long. So I apologize for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this series here. I will be providing more exercises so that you can get to know all these new words and vocabulary and things. And I will see you guys in lesson number 4 tomorrow. Thank you.